Hi, welcome back to the channel. We're still on with the MGB GT where we're doing a reverse light delete. So far we've removed all the lights, bumper, things like that, and we've welded up the holes. I'll just show you. So we've welded them up, ground them back again, and I'm going to put some filler on now, just a light coat because the shape's not bad. So just a light coat of filler, just to get the shape nice, and where the welding's been ground you can sort of see marks and stuff. I'll probably be using some sort of high build primer on this as well, which helps with any sort of scratch marks or anything like that, but we'll get into that in a later episode. So right now I'm going to set the camera down, mix up some filler and apply it to these back panels. Okay, so I've applied a layer of filler. I've put on more than it requires for the simple reason that I'm going to sand it back. I might be lucky enough to get it in one sweep rather than applying more. It didn't need a lot of filler. As I say, I've put probably a bit more than is required on there, and I'll sand it back to try and get the right shape. So I managed to get the MGB GT fully sanded on that back panel I'm going to paint. I've got some edge primer applied now, and what I'm going to do now is just give it a very light sand on the edge primer and then apply some high build primer. And all the high build primer does is just fills any little scratch marks, any little imperfections in the filler, and I'll block that afterwards, and that'll give us a nice finish to paint. So as I say, I've got that like a few coats of etch on there just to give it a key, and now I'm going to apply the filler primer, but it's just a little bit, it's just literally around these parts here, a couple of coats, doesn't need a lot. So that's the primer on, And I've just given it a light coat of satin black, which will work as a guide coat. So when it comes to sanding, the guide coat shows you the highs and low spots. Pretty straightforward. I've taken the masking paper off now, and next job is wet sand it, and then it's ready for some paint. But that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button. It would really help the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.